So this is what happens when you list 30 items a day on eBay. Wow. We just got done shipping out orders, and we had 16 orders go out today. We already have 3 or 4 more in the queue for tomorrow, and we got a list. Probably going to try to hit 40, 50 items today listed, but I'm not 100% certain. We're going to make it there because I had a chiropractor appointment. We had to reschedule it. It was a mess. We had a huge pickup that we had to do a couple hours away yesterday, and we'll have a video coming out on that soon. But a lot of you may have seen the building video that I put out, and if you haven't, I'll post it up here. Just stay tuned to this video, and I'm going to show you what happens when you list 30 items a day, every day on eBay for a few months. So this is my listed inventory, and yeah, we're out of room. There's my seat that I sit in to work, and there's the totes. They're strikingly, like, literally 2 feet away. 2 feet away from my desk. And then we have stuff stacked. That's all listed. That is all listed, but it didn't fit in totes. And that's all listed. So I'll have to let you know, this is 5, 6, 7 months ago. I was not all eBay. I'm not really all eBay now, but I wasn't primarily eBay. I was primarily Amazon. And I kind of wanted to take a venture to the other side. I still sell on Amazon and also Walmart.com, but I'm trying to make eBay like the primary source of income, and then Amazon and Walmart's kind of going to be, secondary to eBay. And so for me to set out on this journey, I needed to list a certain amount of items every day to build my store up. Currently, I have 3,220 active listings. Less than 6 months ago, maybe 7. The time frame is kind of messed up, but less than literally 5 months ago-ish, I had less than probably 500 listings. But as a reseller in the reselling world, you have to adapt to changes in business. And I come from corporate retail where I worked. The last company was with Target for 3 years, and I learned how to change very quickly because that's what Target requires you to do to work there. And I was an executive manager, so I had to do it as well very, very quickly. And that's what I learned. So currently, out of these 1,200 listings, we have 142,000 active in money, sales active, and over a 5,000 quantity. There's the 3220, so not shabby. And so we're coming off a really bad week. We've done $2,000 in the last 7 days. Before this, we were coming off a $3,000 week, and we've done about 12-ish, almost 12,000 in the last 31 days. But we're going to go on a field trip because I'm going to show you what happens when you list 30 items a day on eBay. All right, you're gonna feel my pain because this is all inventory I just got the other day as well. My truck is full, my van is full, and I'm so out of room. But this is what happens when you work hard. Let's go on this little field trip. So as a lot of you people that has followed me for a lot of years know, that I started out in my house. I started out as a part-time reseller. I'm now a full-time reseller, but I had struggles. Reselling isn't easy. And whoever tells you reselling is easy, they're full of crap, because I have literally been on the verge, I think, of breaking down some days, and then some days I'm fine. But it's all been worth it to me. And I started out in my house, and now this. So I did not get that building there. So what happened, and I'm going to tell you a little story. It's story time. What happened is I had it inspected. Everything was perfect. I offered full asking price, and they completely backed out. And they decided not to sell it. So I was really pissy. I was super crushed. That was like my building that got away. It's kind of like the girl that got away, but it's the building that got away. But I found something better. this building. So I bought this building. Yes, I bought it, not yet, for $35K. We are closing on it this month or the first week of September. It is super raining. It's raining outside. It's about 3,500 to 4,000 square feet with the basement. The listing that was on the square footage is wrong on the listing. This building goes all the way back here. It's huge, really tall. This was an old post office that was actually built in 1938, I think. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited because this building is going to open up a lot more opportunities. We're going to be doing a lot more wholesale, a lot more liquidation pallets. We're installing security cameras throughout the entire building, and we are going to install a security camera over our packing table for packing orders, as well as a security camera up front so we can start actually posting. There's going to be like a big banner on this building that says "We buy your stuff," and we are going to post the deals we do with YouTube videos and include security camera footage in it, and it's going to be really cool. So I'm excited for the future, and this is what happens when you list 30 items a day on eBay and you sell on Amazon. I hit Amazon really hard last year. This is not all eBay. This is not all eBay, and I have to tell you that. I hit Amazon very hard and made a serious amount of money last year. And this year, I need the building because we have no more room for Amazon or eBay. We're out of room completely. And the goal is to start merchant fulfilling on Amazon. And I'm going to do a series on Amazon that's like starting from zero with $0, merchant fulfilling stuff, to show you kind of how it works. And I'm still gonna do FBA. We have taken a break from FBA because we have no room to do shipments. Our house is full, and so finally we're gonna get our house back. But we looked at a lot of buildings down this strip, and so the goal is obviously we had to buy a building before the Q4 or the fourth quarter, and the furniture store would have been beautiful. I love it, but they decided not to sell it, and it broke my heart forever. And we looked at, I think, like 3 or 4 more buildings down that way. They were all a lot smaller. And then we found this one. Our realtor found this for us. And shout out to Cornerstone Real Estate. There's their sign. And so I'm just really hoping the worst part about this building is that we're gonna have to move everything out of our house and into the building. But don't worry, I am going to show you that part because it's going to be horrible probably. I'm probably going to have to hire some people to help. And we're going to try to in like 2 days, completely out of the house and into this in like 2 days or so, and set it up. And we've already bought roll carts and shelving and all this stuff to do it with. We're just waiting on the building to open up now.